How to fix login error in KFC UK application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on a control center and turn on your mobile data or cell. And make sure to turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to connect to a network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet problems while logging in. But if there's any other kinds of login problems, you can simply go to your settings, scroll down and click on General, click on iPhone Storage, and scroll down again to navigate yourself to the KFC UK application. Click on Show All, and here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on the KFC application and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and click on Reinstall App. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its document and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below.